All right, what's up, everyone? So we're gonna go over the next lesson here. Module 1, assignment 2. So it says use a diagram. What is the measure and classification of angle MLN? MLN. MLN. Now, the trick here for using a compass, a protractor like this, is that to figure out where you start. So you're starting here, and you're going to end over here. So that means the numbers in here have started at 0. One of these numbers has started at 0, okay? And the number that starts at 0 is going to be here. So 0, and then you count over here. So it's hard to see. They have numbers 10 and 170. There's a 10 right here and a 170. Where you don't start at 170, you don't count from 0, 1, 70. You count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's why you're going to use the 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. So from here to here is 60. And the reason it's 60 acute, like I'm sure you remember, I'm going to write down here real quick. Acute angles are more than 0, less than 90. Obtuse angles are more than 90, less than 180. Right angles equal 90, and straight angles, they're also called lines, those are equal to 180 degrees. All right, number 2. What is the measure of angle NLP? All right, NLP. NLP. Remember I told you that one of these has started at 0, right? One, like I'll say this is the starting point. Oh, wrong thing. And this is the ending point. One of them's got to be your 0. So I'm going to say that's my 0 degrees. So from 0 to here, that's 10, that's 20, that's 30, that's 40, that's 50, that's 60, and here would be the 70. So from here to here, it's 70 degrees. Even though they don't start at 0, I would just count it, right? Now, another way you can do it, I'll show you here. Is you're going to get the number, like this number right here, it's 60. Again, following the top numbers. So 70, 80, 90, 100, right? This number here is 130. I covered it there, sorry. 130. So it goes from 60 to 130. Well, how much is in between 60 to 130? You would just subtract 70. Same thing, as long as you get the answer 70. So number 3 now. Classify the angle OLQ. OLQ. From right there, most of you might be able to get the answer. That's a 90-degree angle. That's why I do that little box there. Because, again, if you want to start here, start and end right here. I covered it here, but there's a 90 right there. Over here is 180. 90 to 180, that's 180 minus 90, that's 90. Or I'm sure you recognize that if it looks like that, like an L, it's 90 degrees all the time. That's 90. And they call 90 degrees right angles. Number 4, measure and classify angle MLQ. MLQ. So this is just a straight line. And then up there in the definition of number 1, I wrote down that straight lines. So this is called a straight line. And straight lines are 180 degrees. So both of those are the answers, A and C here. So 2 answers here, right? Number 5. What's another name for X, Y, W? X, Y, W. Why does it do that? I don't know. Oh, it wants to make it a straight line. X, Y to W, right? Well, if you notice inside, like all of this is the angle. Everything inside here is the answer, the angle. So number 1 is inside this, so that's the way you can name this. You can name this angle 1. You can also name it using 3 letters as long as you start on the outside. So let's say you start at X. X, and then you follow the line. Follow the line. If you're at X, you got to go over here to Y. Follow the green line to W. Or vice versa. Start at W. Follow the line back down now. So from W, you're going to go to the Y and then to the X. So W, Y, X. All those 3 are the way how you name this line. They already told us about X, W, Y. So we need angle 1, which is letter B. And then we need Y, W, X, which is letter A. So again, 2 answers here, A and B. Number 6, another name for Y, W, Z. Y, W, Z. Remember that anything inside here is the answer. So since number 2 is inside there, that's the answer. That's one of the answers, so letter D. So angle 2. And remember, as long as you start, you can't start in the middle. So over here would be W. Follow it down to Y. And then go to Z. Right? And that's another way how you name this. And then if you don't start at the W, start at the Z, follow the line back to Y, and then follow it back to the W. So we already used W, Y, Z. I used number 2, so I need Z, Y, W right there. So number A, or letter A. So letter A and letter D. Number 7, which of the following books is open 180 degrees? Well, remember that 180 degrees means a line, a straight line. And the only one that has a straight line would be letter D. So letter D is the answer. And that should be enough to get you all of 70. If you want to do better, then you figure out the last 3